In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a Webflow template in just 5 minutes. We'll walk through each step, ensuring that you can effortlessly transition your site to a new look while maintaining your content and functionality. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log into your Webflow account. Once there, start by creating a new site using the template you wish to switch to. This is an essential step because Webflow templates serve as the framework for your website. They dictate the general layout and style, so choosing the right one from the start can save you a lot of time and hassle later on. Next, head over to your Webflow dashboard and locate your current site. You'll want to duplicate this site. Duplicating your site gives you a solid starting point for your new design and ensures you have a backup of your current site. This way, you can work on the new template without worrying about losing your existing setup. Now, it's time to create a new site from your Webflow dashboard. Select the template that suits your new design goals. Webflow offers a wide range of templates, each designed to cater to different industries and purposes. Take your time in selecting one that aligns well with your vision. Once your new site is up with the chosen template, you can start customizing it in the Webflow Designer. This step is where the real fun begins. You have complete control over the layout, styles, and functionality of your site. Use this opportunity to truly make the template your own. You can add or remove elements, adjust styles, and tailor the design to reflect your brand's identity. After the design elements are in place, you'll need to transfer your content to the new site. Depending on your Webflow plan, you have a couple of options. You can manually copy and paste content, which is straightforward, or if you're utilizing Webflow's CMS, you can export your content from the old site and import it into the new one. If you encounter any challenges during this process, don't hesitate to reach out to Webflow support for assistance. Finally, once you're satisfied with the customizations and the content has been transferred, it's time to republish the site. Make sure to verify your domain settings so that they point to your new site. This part is crucial to ensure that your visitors are directed to the right pages when navigating to your domain. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you'll have successfully changed your Webflow template and given your website a fresh, new look. Whether you're looking to update your design or start a new project, these instructions will help you achieve your goals quickly and efficiently. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing.